Hello. So today I will show you that how you can use for free this ResearchRabbit AI tool. Yes, it's completely free. It is an excellent tool for getting a literature review, finding relevant papers, but today I will specifically show you how you can use ResearchRabbit to collect the multiple articles in a research paper, and then within a seconds of just few clicks, you can get the metadata of all those articles into an Excel sheet for your systematic review, for your meta-analysis, for the literature review of your research topic, and see this how it's going. So search for this ResearchRabbit on Google, click on this ResearchRabbit. So once you click on ResearchRabbit, this is the page you will land and ask you for login. If you don't have login, you can actually sign up from here, but I'm already have an account, so just log in. Once you log in, this is the interface that you will land into your ResearchRabbit, and how you can do. You can actually create here multiple collections related to your topic, related to your different topic sections, like separately for introduction, separately for methods and discussion. Click on this new collection and you can actually make a new collection. Say if I'm making a collection on, say, HIV and CKD, enter this and this collection is created. Suppose you're working on this HIV and CKD. Now how you can get papers here? Now there are multiple ways to get papers here. First thing is you can actually click on this add paper option, and here in this box you can actually write the title, GUI, PMID, or keywords of your research paper. For example, you have got collected 2-3 influential papers on that topic, and you can actually, through their GUIs, PMIDs, or title, you can once you click here, and those articles will be open. Say for example, I have some articles, so I have got this multiple PDF paper. Say for example, I'm working on a topic that is called as in this hyperkalemia and heart failure. So I can open this article. Once the article opens, what you can do is either you can copy its title, or precisely you can actually copy its GUI. Copy that link, paste your GUI here, and actually click on this add directory. So here it is. This is your hyperkalemia and CKD collection. So see in your this HIV and CKD collection, this one paper is it. Now what you can do, if you just click on this one paper, on the right side it will show you the related papers. So it is showing you nearly 900 plus articles, similar work, means the article similar to this one. Obviously all of this will not be relevant, but you can find a lot of relevant articles with this one click, rather than searching for weeks on Google Scholar, PubMed, and Cochrane Review. Though I suggest that obviously you should go there after doing this work to make sure you get all the articles, because obviously these AI tools do not have access to all of the articles, though they have to the most of the access articles to the most of the influential articles. Now references. Now this one article contains 93 references, and all are here. You can actually look onto those references and use those articles as well. It has citations of all this one article, then authors, suggested authors, and a link content. And say for example, I'm going for this similar work. And once you click on this similar work, here you have got the similar work, this whole, and you can actually look onto articles from this list. It's a very exhaustive list, and you can obviously with titles you can actually pick on those articles which are related to your work. Here you can only check for comments, but if you click on this abstract option, it will actually show you the title and abstract for those papers. And say for example, those papers that are relevant to you can pick and add into your collection. And this is the literature map of all those articles, 100 plus. You can actually click on any of those, all of these articles, and it will show you the connection of one article with other. Say for example, I clicked on this one article, it comes 2015, it is actually closely linked with these two other articles. Just like that, if I click on this one article, it is linked with so many other articles by these green lines. Now another article that I can click, actually this one article, and it is showing that it is related with many other articles as well. You can download it from here. Now what can is, if I click on this one article, actually it shows the details of that one article for me, and this is the related article to that one paper. In this way you can find each paper and related article. Say for example, this is the paper I like, this is related to my work, and I will add it to this button of aid to HIV. So similarly this article is added. Say for example, I am adding a bunch of articles from here. Say for example, I'm adding this one, and in this way, say for example, I'm adding 10 of the articles for my systematic review. This is another article then, and this way you can add 10, 15, 20, 50, whatever articles you think are related to your work. And once those articles are in your collection, stop this all, go to your, once you have done all this, you can actually go to your research from here. So this is your collection, and you actually collected a bunch of articles. Actually it's showing 5, so you have got this 5 articles, and click on this and it will show you all the 5 I have just collected. Now what you can do is click on this export paper option, click on the CSV button, and the Excel sheet will be downloaded with a quick. Otherwise, in the PubMed and Google Scholar, we used to collect each article, read those articles, add all the columns in our research and Excel sheets, and that's it's quite exhaustive and takes months. So open it. Obviously, it will be shared in your downloads section of the computer. Boom, here it is. So see, just with a single click in a few minutes I collected just 5 or 6 articles. Obviously in your research you collect more, but here are the full metadata of these articles. Say for example, I have got the GOIs of all these papers, PMID of all those papers. I have got actually titles of all those papers that I collected. Then obviously I have got this I have got abstract of all these articles, where obviously you can actually rearrange yourself, and you can actually read the details of all those articles by yourself. And once you go on the right, you have actually a lot of column in the year of publication, title, what is the abstract of that article, and all such related things. Say for example, you got the list of author, you got the journals, and actually this year of publication for each of these articles. This is how you can just create an Excel sheet of all the relevant papers and actually take the data from this and incorporate into your systematic review, your meta-analysis, your review articles, and this is all. This is just a one segment of the ResearchRabbit, and you can use it for many other things. And I have more videos on ResearchRabbit and how ResearchRabbit can be connected with ResearchRabbit can be connected with Zotero and other reference manager for streaming your research paper. I hope that this tutorial will help you with your research works.